This is the UHF dynamic vocal microphone unboxing. Including the package, it's a user manual, information card, microphone, receiver, and AUX cable. Here I'm just going to go through installing the battery process. And so you're just going to want to slide your fingers downwards. And the microphone takes 2 AA batteries. So I'm going to go through the settings. So pretty much you have your on off as change frequency, wake up mic, channel, power level, and frequency point. Here I'm doing a comparison, so I'm using the Blue Yeti, and so you could do a comparison with the UHF dynamic vocal microphone. So here I'm using the UHF dynamic vocal microphone, and so you could do a comparison. I'm about the same distance as I was for the Blue Yeti. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.